How to remove Gemini from an Android phone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to see how you can easily remove Gemini from your Android device. So let us just jump right in. First thing first, go over to settings. And then from settings menu, you need to scroll down and find the app section. Tap on apps. And once you get to the app section, you need to go ahead and search for Gemini. You just have to scroll down and find G over here, and then right here you can find Gemini. Tap on it. Now, since I have disabled Gemini, I can just enable it. And depending on the version of device you have, you can either uninstall or disable the device. So if you see an option to uninstall, you can tap on uninstall and then tap on OK to uninstall. And if you have an option to disable it, you can disable it that way as well. Now, the other thing you want to do here is go over to your settings. Now, just scroll down and then find Google. You can find Google services here. Tap on all services. Then you need to scroll down and find Google Gemini and then tap on it. So here you have search, assistant, and voice. So first tap on that. Then you can find Gemini over here. Tap on Gemini and you will find Gemini settings. Now to disable Google Gemini, you can go to digital assistants from Google. And currently, if you're selecting Gemini, you can switch back over to Google's original Google Assistant and then tap on switch. And once you have switched that, you can easily disable Google Gemini. And as you can see, if I long press on my power button, I can bring out Google Assistant instead of Gemini. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.